So, how to feed a baby. You're going to take cat replacement milk, which you can get from Walmart. It's called Pet 4, G4, something like that. Kitten milk replacement. And then you get a little tiny bottle like this. And you measure a half a scoop, which is 1 tablespoon. You put a funnel on top of your bottle. You put the formula in. It's powdered. You take bottled water, which hasn't been refrigerated, and put it up to the, you could put it up probably the 45 milliliter part. You shake it up. You put it in the microwave for about 6 seconds, and microwave it for 2 seconds at a time until it's warm enough. You make sure that you test it on your arm. This isn't warm. Oh, it's nice. So let's hope that she feeds right. This is my baby. Right there, this is mine. I'm keeping her. And let's hope that she will feed on camera. Come here. Show everybody how you do. She isn't doing it. She wants it really bad. Alright, I hear ya. I hear ya. I hear ya. Ugh! Hang on, I'll see if I can get a better angle. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. You're not supposed to do this. She's not taking it very well right now. There she goes. There she goes. You see the ears moving back and forth? That's how they're supposed to, that's how they look like when they're eating. That's how you feed a baby. Gotta put a little bit of pressure on the bottle. She just chowed down, like, literally. Come on. She was hungry. Usually when they chew on it, that means they're done or they don't want any. You see little milk on her lips. And that's how you bottle feed a baby.